A few tips on the border of the picture inside a picture frame. You will see that when the painting is hanging at a distance up on the wall, due to parallax, this side should be longer than this side. Normally people insist on putting the matte border equal on all sides, but it is always recommended that the lower side be slightly more than the upper side, because when it is hanging at a height, eye parallax will make them look equal and you will not be able to notice that the lower portion is more than the upper portion. The second tip is deciding what the width of the mount should be. We always recommend that the more the border is, the better the painting looks, because the frame is after all limiting the vision by the border. So broader the mount is, better you can enjoy the picture, and there is no boundary to limit your vision. But it should not be too big to look out of place. Thank you.